It is Monday, May 23rd. It is currently 63 degrees here in Seattle. And update of Jack Manii Clematis, my Clematis, Jack Manii. And there she is. She's looking good. She's at her blooms. It's always good at the top of the stress on this plant, taking it out, because I was hitting the sides of the pot a lot. So we'll know, and some of the bottom of the roots ripped off, so I'll know in the weeks to come if this is going to be okay or not. If not, if it shows signs of, dying, then I'm just going to trim it up to here, like halfway off. Well, I'll trim off 2/3 of it if it's showing a lot of stress. And yeah, I'll give you an update in the next few weeks. 3 months ago. Doing well. Let me get closer. Blooms. Beautiful, beautiful blooms. Love it. About to show this bloom toward the bottom. Well, there's a few buds here. 1, 2, 3. There's another here. There's 3 more here that hasn't opened yet, that this one has. Beautiful Clematis, Jack Manii. And that planter, I believe it's could be 24 inches high or less, probably. Oh, I'll measure it later. Sorry, did not measure it, the height, but that adds to the height of this clematis, reaching the top of the roof, or the edge of the rooftop.